these are your two new best friends. So I'm going to talk to you and I'm going to show you how well these two products work together and why you absolutely must introduce them to your life. So we put these out September 1st and I haven't looked back. This is our concealer. Okay. It's pretty. This is velour. So it depends on what color you are. Doesn't really matter. I can help you color match. No problem. You literally need like the smallest little amount of this. Okay. So that's all you need to do your entire whatever you're covering. I'm going to show you how to cover I'm going to cover my dark circles and my sunspots right in front of you. So I've already put our primer on my face first and I've let that sit in. Why you should wear a primer, so as I'm doing it, why you should wear a primer is because first of all, it protects your skin. So right now I'm putting on our product, and you know what, our makeup is naturally based, but it's not seeping into my pores. I don't care if it's naturally based, if it is full of chemicals. I don't want it seeping into my pores. So what I do is I cover, and when you're doing your dark circles, please don't cover just the dark circle. If you do that, then you're gonna look like you're just highlighting your dark circles is what's happening. So what you want to do is you want to sort of do like a triangle type application. So I cover, because I have sunspots, you can see them. So what I do is I cover those up as well. But anybody, even if you don't have sunspots, you want to bring your concealer down, okay? So I look like a crazy person right now, but this is what you need to do. I take the extra and I highlight my nose and my forehead, upper lip, chin. And I usually let it sit for a few seconds, so I will do other things while it's sitting. But in terms of the video, so I don't bore you, I blend with our blending buds. I use a concealer brush. That's the only two tools I use for this, okay? So I'm just like to do an extra coverage. The concealer is amazing. You get amazing coverage with the actual concealer on its own. But wait till I show you when I do my whole face with the foundation. And it's going to blow your mind, okay? The coverage is ridiculous. See, I even used probably too much of the concealer in this. You can see that it's like spreading so far, and it was a tiny little dot. So I kind of just blend it all in. Okay, so you're already seeing some coverage, but in order to finish off the face, you're going to use your, this is our Liquid Touch foundation, and it's like the best thing I've ever seen. So what you do is you only, it's a little eyedropper. You don't need very much of this at all. I just drop like a little bit on my hand. Okay, that actually is probably too much again, but that's okay. So you're seeing how much I'm using. This dries, so it goes on like a liquid, and I'm gonna do all the same spots as I just did, okay? This goes on as a liquid, and it dries with a powder finish. So you don't even need to use powder to seal it in if you don't want. And I often don't, because you know what? Who has time for that in the morning? It's like, honestly, it's like you're photoshopping your face in front of your eyes. Like, the coverage is amazing. Like, every morning I put this on and I'm like still blown away at the coverage that I get just from using those two products. Like, look, my dark circles, my sunspots, my face doesn't look like it's cakey. It's like, it's not coming off of my hands. It's just like a photo finish. I absolutely love this stuff. Honestly, you want me to come over if you're in Ottawa, I will come over and color match. I'll come over and do your makeup. I love this stuff to death. So please, if you need any, reach out to me because I would love to help you out.